Hey y'all, Chaos Podcast here. I am an idiot lesbian. Well, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own simple YouTube API with NodeJS, YouTube DL, that exe, whatever, calls anywhere and Express. So this is gonna be a little bit rushed because my first recording, I'm trying something different, but I had issues with my first recording. So sorry for all the rest today. And I'm also sorry that the Cloudy with the Translator post is coming out later. It's a big video to edit, yada yada yada. So I gotta kind of rest this. So what we want to do is we want to create a new folder. We want to have Node.js installed, and we want to have Python 3.7 or higher installed in the system. Then we won't find Linux or Mac. I don't know about Windows. I've tested this on both platforms. And what we want to do is we want to install. We want to do oh crap, we want to run npm init.y. So once we do that, that will create the project. So we want to create a server.js. You can use touch server.js. You can do whatever you can use. You can do this. You can create new, yada yada yada, yap yap yap. So once we have that done, we want to start by declaring our variables. Actually, we don't want to do that. We want to actually do more. We want to first install them. Actually, you can do both, but we want to install Express. So just do Express. Calls anywhere. These are very simple. You just type them in. I just do this. It doesn't really matter. But for YouTube DL.exec, we'll actually have to do we have to actually add something to it. .exe. Save or save, and that's the only other thing we have to do differently. Other than that, it should be simple. Then you want to declare them, or if you've already declared them, then whatever. So then you want to do a const app equals express. This will declare the app, and essentially express is like what you're gonna use to like get and stuff. Calls anywhere is essentially to bypass cross origin researching, which I'll explain a little bit later. YouTube DL exec, or whatever you want to call it, will be used to get YouTube data. So once we have that, we want to declare the cross anywhere. So I'm just gonna do const cracks proxy whatever create, and we do not want this. I accidentally included this in the first recording, but you don't want this because it will cause issues. So once we got that removed and we type this in, it should be good. So they wanted a listen for it, which I'm gonna do. This is gonna be your URL, whatever, well, your IP, whatever. I'm using localhost, lambda, log. It's gonna listen. It's gonna be good. And let's make a fetch video. This is what's gonna be fetching video. I'll be showing you the JSON from it. So essentially, this is how the actually JSON from YouTube.exec look. You look at it, there's a format ID, and actually, I'm going to be adding the format ID too to it, because I think it's actually kind of useful. So let's do format ID equals format, which is the JSON, dot format ID, and that's good. So we want to declare get, we want to get it, we want to get the request, which is we want to send the response out. So we want to get the request video ID. You can also use get video, whatever. You want to make sure you actually have it. You also want us to run this in a try and catch too. The catch is I'm sending 418, but you should send 500. I just did it as a little joke. Because, FUD, boom, patty, yada, yada, yada. Cancel that error. If you want that. And this will stop it if there's no ID. Then this is going to actually get the data. So we're going to declare a constant, a variable, to equal this. So then for the owner URL, which is going to be the profile picture of the owner, this is you upload a URL. And this is going to be the formats. This is going to be like the video formats. This is going to be the URL and such. Formats.map format. We're just going to put into a map. Declare these ones, whatever you need. The response is going to be response. This is going to be the title. Description, uploader, upload date, avatar, and the formats. I'm going to catch it. So it's going to listen on port 8090. It's going to be localhost. Yeah, it's going to do that. So we got that out of the way. So essentially, this will bypass. I already explained it, actually. I'm stupid. So let me show you how it's done. So to actually get the... we actually got to run npm start. I got to actually run npm start for real. Yep. Oh, that's the package, by any chance, if you don't know what a package is. main. Oh, I actually probably should have done server.js. Oh well, it won't. It won't. Who cares? So we got that. Fetch. Okay, fetch it. Give it a sec. And yep. To explain the formats a little bit, so YouTube essentially has various formats. So this is storyboard. This is just for like, hey guys, I had to find a video. So yep, this is Weird Al. This is the storyboard. This is what it is. You see, it's the storyboard. Yep, storyboard. You see it. It's the storyboard. And yep, the form. And now YouTube unfortunately only offers one format for HD. For one format for currently anymore. With audio and video, it's format 18, which I think I thought we had the I tag. Format ID, yep, format ID, which is the I tag or whatever. We only have 18 is the only one with audio and video, so if we find it, everything else will be DAS. Everything else will have a separate audio and video track. Even the actually I don't know about the M3UHUs. I think they do, but most will phase them. They have both URLs in them. So we got the M3UHUs, which is the auto DAS whatever. Well, not DAS, HLS. We gotta find 18. Yep, this is 18. This is the one that we can actually watch it in. This will be 360p usually, but this video is only 240p. So, yeah, I'm using me at the 2. And yep, so we got that URL now. We got that explained. But let's say we want to make a request to it. Now, that's actually exactly why we have crossovers and regions saying anyway. So we see this. We want a little quest. So let's just open it up here. Sticker here. Stick him. Whatever. Them. Whatever gender this is. Who cares? It's a fucking thing of a gender. It's not a human with human emotions. Oh, I'll say this unless it's some fucking person trapped. I don't know. I'm thinking way too hard about this. I don't know why I'm thinking so hard about this. We fetch. Yep. Oh no! We can't do that because it's missing. Uh-oh. Oh no, it sucks. Oh no. How do we fix it? Now, that's exactly why we have HTTP localhost 8070. Again, I did 8070. I think I already explained it. I just like it like that. You can do whatever you want. If you want it to be like 100,000, actually, I don't think you can actually get up to 100,000, but wait, you get the point. Oh, actually, we don't need that change because it's there, and we fetch it. Yay, we can see his face. And it's the benefit with this over just making your own proxy is this. It does something, I don't know how it does it, but is it so much faster? Like it's maybe like half a second delayed from the actual like normal URL, but other than that, it's fine. And it bypasses CoreOS, so you can use it, which is awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry for this video is a little bit more speedy and fast than the original one, but thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys. Like, guys. Bye.